Hey all, welcome back to DiaBeautyBlossoms. I hope you all are doing great. And today here I am with a review product I have been using for some time now, and I'll be reviewing this Iraya body wash. And if you want to know the take on this product and the review about it, just keep on watching. If you're not my subscriber, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So I'll be reviewing today this Iraya body wash, and you can see the packaging is really nice, and the body wash is in this orange color. It looks like honey color in the camera, but it's actually orange color. And you get in this plastic transparent bottle, so you can see how much you have used and how much it is left out. And you also have this label, nice label here, which says Iraya, and this is actually for all skin types, and this is in the variant wildflower. I think they have multiple body washes. This is in the variant wildflower. And you also have the cost and details here, and you have all the ingredients list. And yeah, the packaging is really good. You have the pump packaging. I have used almost everything of the body wash, but the bottle is still clear, clean. It's really nice. It's not sticky anywhere, so it feels good when you see such a nice, cute, neat bottle. But the only thing is the plastic here around this cap is little sharp. I actually by mistakenly tried to open this initially, and I actually had a little cut on my finger because of the plastic sharpness here. That's the only defect I feel, but apart from that, it's really nice. You can see the consistency of this is not thick, not thin. It's semi consistency, but it's like honey consistency. You pump out the product, it comes really easy. It doesn't actually have any issues in getting the product out. That's something nice. And the cost of this is 295 rupees, and you get 250 ml of products. I know it's a little expensive compared to other body washes you have in drugstore like Dove and other, but I feel it's good because of the quality and the way this body wash performs. This is actually a deeply hydrating bathing solution. Ingredients you have in this are a natural spring water, SLS in it, that's the sulfate. This is extracts of Ketaki flowers, basil, turmeric, mangista and lotus seed to gently cleanse and nourish the skin. Leaves a wonderful floral aroma and warm glow. So Ketaki flowers, when I researched online, Ketaki flowers are used most of the fragrances, and that's the reason it really gives a very nice smell. The smell of this body wash is really awesome. Oh my god, it smells so nice. If you're someone who loves flowers, the fragrance of flowers, then you are for it. You should definitely try this body wash. I love floral scents, and it's really one of the awesome smell I have ever had. Like in Forest Essential, you have Nargis. I really love the fragrance of that. If you love the fragrance of Nargis, you would definitely love this fragrance, I bet. To the performance it makes, it really gives my skin a very smooth and nice moisture feeling. Whenever I use this body wash, my body feels so refreshing, fresh, and the fragrance of this body wash lasts for some time. I don't say it lasts the entire day, but it lasts definitely for a couple of hours on your body, and it's really nice. And when you're out of shower, you don't feel like you have to apply a moisturizer immediately because your skin is already moistured when you use this body wash. But yeah, definitely if you're using in very colder months, you would need a body moisturizer or body butter to be applied, otherwise you never feel that. And I am actually in Germany, and the temperature here is like 10 degrees in the morning, so you can imagine how cold it is here. And I use this every day in the morning. I really feel very moisturized. So obviously if you're using it in Indian weather, you would not even require the required to apply the body butter or body lotion. But definitely I really like this one. The only thing about this is it's not SLS free. It has sulfate in it. Apart from that, I really totally love this one, and I'll definitely repurchase this. And I am into it because I love the fragrance. And for me, I think it's most of the girls out there, especially for me, whenever I use a body wash, I want it to be have a nice fragrance which actually makes me awaken, because I am kind of sleepy person. I sleep very late, and it's very difficult for me to get up in the morning and be active. So whenever I use a good body wash which actually has that kind of senses which awaken me or which wakes me up, I'm up for it, I'm up for it. And yeah, this is really a nice product, and I am so happy that I've tried Iraya product, and I really like the first product I've used. You can see I almost finished it. I just kept it for the review so I can show it to you guys. I really love that. So yeah, that's all guys, that's all the review about this. If you've already used it and if you like it, let me know. Or if you have tried any of the other Iraya body washes which you've tried, let me know, so I'll be also excited to try one of them. And also, if you are my subscriber, thank you so much for watching and staying connected. Don't forget to hit that small bell button so you can notified whenever I upload a new video. And thanks all for watching this video. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.